Hey everyone, this is Gulshan. I'm back after a long time. I think it's more than a month. I'll try to be as regular as possible. I'll try to post more videos on Notion as frequently as possible. So sorry for that. But anyways, let's learn about the today's topic, which is custom icon. How do you upload custom icons? So first of all, why do we even need to upload custom icon? So, as you know, we use custom icons at many places, whether it's databases or normal pages or normal Notion blocks. We use custom icons to beautify our workspaces, right? But sometimes we don't find the right icon uh, in the icon gallery of Notion. So for that, many times you download icons from external websites like Flat Icon or any other website, and then you upload it. So how do you do that basically? Many beginners get confused in this. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. All right. So as you can see, this is a page, independent page, custom icon, and here I'm going to upload a custom icon for this called add icon here. And as you can see, the first section is for emojis, the second is icon gallery. This is inbuilt by Notion. Sometimes you don't find the right icon here, so it's a bit of a problem, and that is why you need to download an icon from external website to use here. So the third option, we have the upload option here, and in a moment we'll download an icon and upload it here. All right, so let's go to the external website called Flat Icon. So as you can see, I've already searched here about the bank icon. So you can search any icon here. Uh, so let's search, let's say projects. So I've searched about projects. Let's find some interesting icon. So I think this one is interesting. Shall we use this? Okay, I think this is also interesting. Let's use this, or maybe this one. So I'll download the PNG version. You can also download the SVG version. I'll download the free version for now. All right, so it's downloaded now. Let's go to Notion again and let's change this icon. Let's go to upload option. Let's upload the downloaded the icon. So as you can see, this is the icon that we downloaded here. Open this, and here you can see it's asking whether you want to add this icon to your workspace emoji library. So I'll just check this, and you can also name this. So it's called project icon. Just remember, you can't capitalize the alphabet, so you can only use the small letters, and also you can't use the space here. So as you can see, if I just type the space, it's coming error, right? So you can use the underscore or dash, but you can't use the space here. So just remember that. So I'll just use underscore here, and it's called project icon, and then I'll just save it. All right, so it's here, and now you can use it anywhere. But just you remember, this icon that you have uploaded right now, it will not be found under this icon gallery. It will be found under emojis category. So if you go to icon and if you search project icon or maybe just project, you will not find it here. The icon that you have just downloaded, you will not find it in icon gallery, you will find it in emojis gallery. So just remember that, otherwise you'll forget it, and you'll keep searching about it and you will not find it. So just remember, any icon that you download and upload it here, you will find it in emojis library and not in the icons library. So as you can see, in the emojis library, the newly uploaded icon is here. So that's it about today. I think this is a very small tutorial about it. I'm sure you must have learned something new today. Uh, if you have learned something new today, please like and share the video and also subscribe the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.